Hello, Olivia. Good evening. Good
Evening.
evening. Can you see me?
Yes.
Wow. Okay, I can see you too. Oh, is that your little sister? Oh, that is Sophia. Hi, Sophia. Nice to see you again.
Hello.
Hello. Okay, Olivia. Now let's start to our lesson. Olivia, how are you today? How was your holiday?
I sick today.
Oh, you're sick today. Why? Why are you sick today?
I don't know why I sick.
Oh, you are not feeling well today. Is that correct? You're not feeling well today? Mm-hmm. Oh, that's sad. Maybe Olivia, you take some apples. Apples will take the doctor away.
Why?
Yes, eat apples so you
My
will.
sister also sick.
Who?
My sister.
Oh, you both are sick. Oh my God. Oh, what happened? Do you have cold and fever? You both have cold and fever?
No.
Oh, what do you think? What happened?
I don't know what happened.
Oh, that's sad. Okay, I'll make you feel better soon. Okay, now, are you ready to our lesson?
Yes.
Not yet. Oh, is there's mommy? Hello, mommy. Good evening. Oh, is that your ate? Is that your ate?
Yes. Yes.
Ah, why, bakit sila may sakit? Baka may sak...
Sometimes, change weather na kasi dito, mami, kasi palapit na yung winter.
Oh my
Mainit
God. Ikaw rin, may sakit ka rin. Pakainin mo sila ng dalandan, kung may dalandan dyan.
orange.
Yes.
Bawal dito pag may ubo, bawal nila pakainin yung bata ng dalag.
Oh, apple na lang, apple. Eat apple to make doctor away.
Okay, teacher.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, ate. Now, Olivia, let's start to our lesson. Okay, let's have listen and circle the picture you hear. Okay?
You're okay.
Okay, now I will play the audio now. Please listen carefully. The audio starts now.
Track 34.
Listen and circle the picture you hear.
You.
Number 1.
Fire. Fire.
Fire.
Fire.
Number 2.
Where is the fire? Circle the
Hide.
fire.
Hide.
Hide. Hide.
Number 3.
Wide.
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 Number 4.
Pipe.
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 Number 5.
Dive.
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 Number 6.
Five.
Five. Wow, good job. You're a good listener. Okay, let's check your answer. Number 1, fire. Fire. Where is fire? Number 1, Olivia? Yes, very good. What will you do if you saw a fire? What you will do if you see a fire? You will stay away from fire. Yes. Okay, how about this? Hide. Where
Hmm?
do you usually hide, Olivia, when you are playing hide and seek?
I, I,
Mm-hmm. Where do you hide? Under the table? Under the bed?
under the bed.
Yes, very good. Under the bed. Next, let's have number 3. What is number 3?
Lean,
Lean. Lean.
lean.
Okay, what's the answer number 4?
Number 4,
Wire or pipe. What is the answer? Okay, it's wire or pipe. Next, dive. Dive.
five,
Dive. Okay, what you will do? Do you like diving in the water?
yes,
Yes. Wow. So have you tried to snorkeling or like
no,
wearing a goggles when you are at the beach?
no,
Oh, it's like a good view under the water. You will see a lot of fishes and living sea animals. How about this? Okay, now let's have very good, Olivia. Let's proceed to look at the picture and complete the word. What is this? What is this?
what is that?
Mm-hmm. This one, number 1.
One,
Mm-hmm.
one,
This one, number 1. Wide, wide. Okay, rip. This is rip. Number 1, rip. R-I-P. Okay, number 2.
wrong.
This one.
Right.
Yes, try to answer. Right.
Answer right.
Mm-hmm. Number 2, tire. Tire.
Fire.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Fire race. Now hunting.
Okay, number 2, tire. T-I-R-E.
So E.
That is tire. Very good. Okay, next, this one. Ire. Ire. Wire.
Fire.
Okay, try to answer. Wire. W. This one. W. R. Wire. Okay, this number 3. What number is this?
Number. What's it? Um, 5.
Okay,
Okay.
5. Yes, 5. 5. Are you done?
I'm doing one. Hey, I just help me. You do it.
Mhm. Okay, are you finished?
Yeah.
Very good. Okay. 5 is V, 5. How about
What
number 4? What is the boy doing?
would you hide?
Okay, hide. Okay, try to correct the spelling of hide.
Finish.
Mm-hmm. Okay, D, hide. Next, number 5. What is this?
And the transfer. You can use a transfer.
Mm-hmm.
Oh no, it's this. Oh no. Maybe I can see it. So better.
Okay, are you done? Okay. Ride. D. Ride. This one, hide. Very good. This one, circle and write the correct word. What is the boy doing?
Oh yeah. I can hide. Hide.
He is hide. Hide. Okay, what is hide? Okay, it's hide. H-I-D. Okay, number 2. What do you see in this picture? Okay, number 2 is
Hide.
5. Okay, circle the letter 5. Mhm.
And and
Mhm.
help me.
Mhm. Okay, this is 5. F-I-V-E. 5. Okay, next.
Yes, help me.
Okay, number 3. What is this? Number 3, Olivia, what is this?
What's that?
Tire. Circle the word tire.
And then write it.
Okay, tire, like this. Write it T-I-R-E. Tire. Good job.
And then two more. I know.
Number 4, what is this?
The number 4.
Mhm.
I know that. Oh no, please.
Pipe or right?
Right.
Okay, the answer is pipe. Okay, try to write the correct spelling of pipe.
So right. P.
Very good.
Circle.
Okay, pipe. Very good. Now match the words to the pictures. Hide.
Number 1.
Hide is
I finish.
mhm. Okay, next number 2, pipe.
I am doing nothing. Finish.
Okay, pipe. Mm-hmm. Pipe is this, pipe. Next, number 3. What is this? Iron. Wire. Very good. Circle the wire. Wow. Next is number 4.
Number 4.
Number 4 is dive. Dive. Where is the dive? Yes, very good. Next. Ride. Ride. This is the dive and this is the ride. Okay, very good. Now let's proceed to the next.
Cesar, help me. I'm putting anything for.
Okay, let's listen to the audio. Let's watch the video, Olivia.
Five girls ride by a house. They
5
look at
girls.
the house. A hive is on the house. The hive is wide. A man comes with a mop. He hits the hive.
Oh my
Oh
God.
no, this is bad. The man runs to hide.
Okay, very good. Now let's read the story.
Track 36. Story.
Listen to the story.
5 girls ride by a house. They look at the house. A hive is on the house. The hive is wide. A man comes with a mop. He hits the hive. Oh no, this is bad. The man runs to hide.
Oh my God. Now let's read together, Olivia. 5 girls ride by a house. Ride by a house. They look at the house. Hello? Olivia, where are you? Hello. Hello, Olivia. Welcome back. Nice to see you again. Okay, let's read together. 5 girls ride by a house.
House.
A hive is on the house. The hive is white.
I right.
A mom comes with a map. He hits the hive.
The man.
Oh no,
Oh no.
this is bad.
Oh no, it's bad.
The man runs to hide.
Rise, I to a hat.
Very good. Okay, next. Okay, let's have warm up. Listen, circle, and repeat the picture. Are you ready? Let's start. Number 1.
Number 1.
Track 35. Wrap up.
Listen and circle the picture you hear. Number 1.
Hive.
Hive,
Hive.
hive.
Number 2.
Ride.
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 Number 2, ride.
Number 3.
ripe,
Ripe.
ripe,
Ripe. Ripe.
Number 4.
tire,
Tired.
tire,
Tired.
Tired.
Mm-mm.
Tired.
Okay, number 4. Tire. Tire. Okay. Round and match. Then write the sentence. For example, the tire eyes the tire is white. Hello? Hello? Oh, sorry, Olivia. It's almost time. Mm-hmm. Okay, we are done. Now let's have a reward of what did we learn today. Mm-hmm. Okay, this one.
That's a dog.
Mm-hmm. Okay, Olivia. Hello. Oh my God. I'm sorry, Olivia. It's almost time. See you next class, Olivia. Goodbye. Goodbye.